Good morning students. In this video, today we are going to explore trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Let us recollect. Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum equals to 90 degrees. Example, 30 degrees and 60 degrees are complementary angles. 30 degrees plus 60 degrees equals 90 degrees. Same way, another example, 18 degrees and 72 degrees are complementary angles. 18 degrees plus 72 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. To understand trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, let us draw a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B. Can you find any pair of complementary angles in this triangle? Yes. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degrees. So, let us take angle A as theta. Then what happens to angle C? Angle C is equal to 90 degrees minus theta. Now let us write the ratios for angle theta and angle 90 degrees minus theta to understand the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So let us take the same triangle ABC, angle A is theta and angle C is 90 degrees minus theta. Let us write the ratios for angle 90 degrees minus theta. Sin 90 degrees minus theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, which is AB by AC. Now, cos 90 degrees minus theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here adjacent side is BC, AC is hypotenuse. Tan 90 degrees minus theta, which is opposite side by adjacent side, AB by BC. Cosecant 90 degrees minus theta is equal to AC by AB. Secant 90 degrees minus theta is equal to AC by BC. Cot 90 degrees minus theta is equal to BC by AB. Now let us write for angle theta in the separate column. So, sin theta is equal to BC by AC, cos theta is equal to AB by AC, tan theta is equal to BC by AB, cosecant theta is equal to AC by BC, secant theta is equal to AC by AB, cot theta is equal to AB by BC. Now let us find the relationship here. Look into sin 90 degrees minus theta, which is AB by AC. Now look into the column, second column, where you can find AB by AC. Now here cos theta is AB by AC. So sin 90 degrees minus theta is equal to cos theta. The next one, look into cos 90 degrees minus theta, which is BC by AC. In the second column where you are finding BC by AC. Sin theta is equal to BC by AC. So cos 90 degrees minus theta is equal to sin theta. Similarly, look into the tan 90 degrees minus theta, which is AB by BC, where you find AB by BC in the second column. Cot theta is equal to AB by BC. So, tan 90 degrees minus theta is equal to cot theta. The next one, cot 90 degrees minus theta is BC by AB, which is equal to tan theta. Now look into cosecant 90 degrees minus theta, which is AC by AB. In the second column, you look for AC by AB. It is secant theta. So, cosecant 90 degrees minus theta is secant theta. The last one, secant 90 degrees minus theta is cosecant theta. Now we apply this complementary angles in the exercise 8.3. Now let us understand how to apply these complementary angles. Look into the first question. Evaluate sine 18 degrees by cos 72 degrees. Sine 18 degrees can be written as sine 90 degrees minus 72. 90 degrees minus 72 gives 18 degrees. So I am just writing 18 degrees as 90 degrees minus 72. In the denominator, as it is cos 72 degrees. Now, sine 90 degrees minus 72 can be written as cos 72 because just now we discussed the relationship sine 90 degrees minus theta is equal to cos theta. So, cos 72 degrees by cos 72 degrees is equal to 1. With this basic knowledge, you can able to do the first question, remaining sums second, third and fourth. Let us look into the second question. Show that tan 48 degrees into tan 23 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 67 degrees is equal to 1. We need to show LHS is equal to RHS. So let us take LHS. In LHS, tan 48 degrees can be written as tan 90 degrees minus 42 degrees. 90 minus 42 is nothing but 48. Similarly, tan 23 degrees can be written as tan 90 degrees minus 67 degrees. So, 90 degrees minus 67 is 23. So, in LHS, in the place of tan 48 degrees and tan 23 degrees, I am writing tan 90 degrees minus 42 and tan 90 degrees minus 67. I am writing tan 42 degrees and tan 67 degrees as it is. Now, the complementary angles, tan 90 degrees minus 42 can be written as cot 42 degrees. Tan 90 degrees minus 67 can be written as cot 67 degrees. Remaining two, tan 42 degrees and tan 67 as it is, we write here. Now rearrange this. Cot 42 degrees, bring tan 42 degrees beside to cot 42 degrees. And cot 67 degrees, bring near to tan 67 degrees. And now look into cot 42 degrees and tan 42 degrees. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. We learned this in reciprocal relationships. So, cot 42 degrees into tan 42 degrees becomes 1. Tan 67 degrees into cot 67 degrees becomes 1. So, LHS becomes 1. LHS is equal to RHS. Now, with this knowledge, you can able to do the class task second question, the second sum. Evening task, you can do the third question. Now, look into the fourth question. If tan A is equal to cot B, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. What is given to us? Tan A is equal to cot B. Now, can you write cot B in the form of tan? Yes, you can write. Cot B is equal to tan 90 degrees minus B. So, tan get cancelled. A is equal to 90 degrees minus B. Send minus B to LHS. So, A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. So, we proved that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Now look into the sixth question. If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sine B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. What is given to us? Interior angles of triangle ABC. So, We know that sum of the angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degrees. We apply this property to solve this sum. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Now look into what they are asking. Show that sine B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. So B plus C, keep it in the left side and send angle A to the right hand side. So B plus C is equal to 180 degrees minus A. Both sides you divide with 2. So B plus C by 2 is equal to 180 degrees minus A by 2. Both sides let us take, before that we simplify 180 degrees by 2, which is equal to 90 degrees minus angle A by 2. Both the sides let us take sine. Sine B plus C by 2 is equal to sine 90 degrees minus A by 2. Sine 90 degrees minus A by 2 can be written as cos A by 2 because the complementary angle sine 90 degrees minus theta is equal to cos theta. So we have shown that sine B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. The evening task is 5th and 7th questions, and also do the examples 9 to 11. That's all for today. Thank you.